Check this out. We're at Cathcart Rail down here somewhere off of Rusens Road. Check this out. This mule track mule, I call it. Look at this. Watch this. He is pulling that whole line of cars right there. See that? Right there. Now, I don't know if those are cars shipping out. I don't know. Could be. There it is. Wow. That might be an interesting thing to do. Check that funny face on the back tank, on the end of the tank car. According to the CSX, there's a green light up there, not facing my way, but facing the other direction. Coming toward me. There was a green light down there. I haven't seen a train yet, so it's pretty cool. Quite a bit of work. Just a YouTube video. Yeah. I'm not going to be here long anyways. There's supposed to be a CSX coming down, but signal's green up there, but haven't, y'all used to have a bigger, yeah, old black one. Old black one you had.
Yeah, it was gray and we had a white one too.
Yeah.
They both broke down, so now we got these Trackmobiles.
A Trackmobile, yep.
It does like that.
Yeah.
I was just seeing what you was doing.
No, I'm just filming y'all just working, so I'll stay all y'all out of y'all's way. You used to do box cars, I think, one time.
Huh?
Didn't y'all do box cars one time?
We get a few every now and then, but we don't really have a lot of them.
Yeah, I remember when it was Buncher Rail, it used to be a lot of box cars down here. But, yeah. Yeah. Are those getting ready to go back out?
No, not these. We're just getting them ready for the shop.
Yeah.
No, we don't have no outbound right now.
Yeah. All right, well, you heard what the guy says. It's got Trackmobile. It's getting too dark to film anyways. What it is a, wow. They're getting ready to hook on to that. Wow. They're going to take those cars right there. He said they don't have anything going out right now. And they're going to take them around behind this gray building here. They're going to line them up for the shop for tomorrow where they work on them. It might be that they, it could be all sorts of maintenance work they're doing. It could be recoating the inside of some of those, or who knows what. I don't know if they're hiring here or not, but if you're interested in working on tank cars, if you're interested in working on tank cars, this is probably the place to come. I guess they'll take applications up here. I don't know. There used to be Bunch of Rail. Now it's Cathcart. So. He just wanted to see what I was doing, and I don't want to bother him. I try to stay out of people's way. They got the job to do, and just like anybody else. Now they do some shot blasting or sand blasting in that open area. They probably do some welding work and other work inside. So, and let's see, there's the degreaser. Excuse me, the luber. There's the thing that shoots up grease onto the rail cars, into the hot boxes. To lubricate the bearings on the rail cars. It gets dark down here a little earlier because there it goes. Oh, they're not taking all of it. Well, see these trees here? We're down in a valley here along the river, James River. Just behind those trees is like a hill. And not too far up that way is the city limits, most northern part of Lynchburg. They just switched tracks. Thought about waiting for the CSX train. I might go up and, I don't know, I haven't seen the signal yet. Oh, they're going to put it in next to it. Or they must have had to grab one and put it in next to it. Looks like they're going down here. I think they get some of the wreck cars in here, some of the wreck tankers. Yeah, it depends on what kind of work needs to be done to them. They might try to fix them up, or they might try to scrap them. Depends on how much work has got to be done to them. Actually, it looks like they're going on to a set of tracks next to that rail car. Or they had to pick one up. They had to take some cars off, maybe. I don't know. Maybe they're going to back in all the way down there where those two cars are. Don't know how far down they're going to go. It's quite a bit long. Like I said, they had a yard engine one time. I remember the old black one they used to have was like 2-3 axle one maybe. I think that's what it looked like. Now the white one, I'm not uncertain about that. They said these things broke down. So they don't use that anymore, and they use a track motor. Looks like they're going to unhook this right here. Wow. And there goes the tank cars. I guess they're shifting them around, probably because they need to have a certain car. There's a lot of tank cars here, but a lot of them need to be worked on. Alright. Well, that's it from Cathcart Rail. I don't know if they're going to back up to this other one here or not. It's no telling. Subscribe, like, and comment below from Cathcart. Oh! I'm going to stop this video because we got a CSX coming. Subscribe, like, and comment. We'll go on to the next video. Lynchburg, Virginia.